If you're experiencing issues with Baldur's Gate 3 updates getting stuck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause updates to stall. Try restarting your router or switching to a wired connection if possible. Step 2. Restart the game client. Close the game client completely and then reopen it. Sometimes, simply restarting the application can resolve update issues and allow the download to continue. Step 3. Clear cache. If you're using a game client like Steam or GOG, try clearing the cache. This can often resolve issues related to stuck downloads. Look for options in the settings menu of the client to clear download cache. Step 4. Pause and resume the update. If the update is stuck, try pausing it for a moment and then resuming. This can help kickstart the download process and get it moving again. Step 5. Reinstall the game client. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the game client. This can resolve any underlying issues that may be causing the update to get stuck. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve issues with updates getting stuck in Baldur's Gate 3. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.